So when I'm looking for an arm bar and I have them in mount, he's doing everything he can to defend my mount. And I don't make it obvious which one I'm going after either. And I pick one and I isolate it. And then I put pressure on him. And I start working towards the direction of that arm. Bring this leg over. He's defending. If I want to get real rough with it, push on his face, my leg. He already gave me the arm. There we have it. And if that doesn't work, put in here and break it that way. If that doesn't work, they're really strong. You're running out of options. So you're sitting up here by their head. Control the wrist. Come out by the head and around. Thumb is up. Lift your hips to the sky. See, he reversed me. My mount didn't work. So I'm in guard now. And he's in my guard. And I'm going to pick an arm and isolate it and post my foot on the same hip over here. And then I'm going to chop him down by switching my hips out this way and putting my leg over his body so that he's lost his balance. And bring my leg up and over his head. And now I have the arm. Lift your hips to the sky.